A big part of getting laid is logistics, right? Like if you have a bedroom right by the club, like before the night was over, I'd already banged 3 chicks, you know what I'm saying? And it was like, but the logistics were solved. I looked at going out as like, what do I want to accomplish and how am I gonna do it, right? Like when I went out, my goal was to get pussy. That was it. I didn't want to fucking dance. I didn't want to talk to my friends with fucking earplugs in and pay $10,000 to fucking do it. I went out to get pussy. That was the reason I went out. By flipping the script and getting girls to chase you, I mean, that's, the premise of the setup is, just turning it around on its head, because when a woman is chasing you, you have the power.
You saw Tate and you're like, okay, I kind of like his vibe and was talking to him. Not that he's trying to be like you, but.
Well, Tate's a very different guy. I don't think he's trying to be like me, actually. He's kind of got his own thing. I don't care if I agree with you or not. I respect somebody that takes a fucking controversial opinion and runs with it and doesn't apologize.
For a while, every tech company, everything out there was promoting that one narrative, and like literally you could get dropped if you went against that.
And I watch way too many fucking people bend the knee. Like Joe Rogan apologized, like what a fucking joke.
You didn't think he should have apologized or did the wrong thing there?
Fuck no. What a fucking pussy.
What do you think the message is of this book? What do you think your message is at the end of the day?
I think the most important message is the difference between pleasure and happiness. There is an end to the pleasure road. Most people don't ever get near it, but I actually got to the end of the road. I mean, it's gonna be some fucking good time, but at the end of the day, I don't think that that's what people should focus on.